All right, guys, first gen. I know it's been long and there seems like we haven't made much progress, but today we've got progress and here it is. Easy, easy. Whoa, 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 whoa! Shoot! It's off. Yeah. Yeah, that worked. Don't do that at home because we're professional. We're professionals. Alright, she's off the trailer, back in the shop. Now we can track down some primer and get the frame primed, prep for paint, and start restoration of the frame. And then once that's all dried and ready, we can start reassembly, huh? I think it turned out good. Got it nice and sandblasted, frame looks good. Just mostly surface rust on there, no like major rust. So yeah, I'm happy with the results. We get some primer and paint on here, I think it'll look like $1,000,000.
75 years later.
What's up, guys? I know we've been slacking on this, but I've been working on a little bit at a time. Been busy, things happen, life happens, you know how all that goes.
Cole's projects.
Cole had lots of projects, so this thing's just kind of been neglected, and I've been working on a little bit here, a little bit there. As you can see, we've got the frame pretty much mostly painted. There's still a few spots I need to hit and to get done to get this fully treated with. We're treating it with this Eastwood Rust Encapsulator Plus stuff, matte black. As you know, we got the frame sandblasted, and we can put this stuff right on as kind of like primer. So once this stuff is done and on, it'll be getting another coat of just some frame paint to top it off, make sure it's got UV protection, all that good stuff, so that this will last and not rust out quick. So I've just got a few things. I got to finish up the axles. Obviously, they need to be powder coated or painted as well. and so I got to get the front and back axle, a few little touch-up areas in here, figure out what I'm going to do with my steering box, and then start working on reassembly. So once this is all done, painted, ready to go, we've got the engine over there on the stand. Obviously we haven't made much progress on that. I'm prepping it for paint. We're going to paint that. We haven't decided exactly what color that's going to end up yet. We're trying a few colors, seeing what's going to work best, and then that'll get painted, reassembled, and ready to be thrown back in here. We got some new motor mounts. We've got the transfer case that needs seals. We got the transmission over here that needs to be resealed because there's some leaks going on there too. We're going to try and get all that sealed up, painted, all that good stuff, and then slapped back in here to then start putting back the cab and all the other good stuff that goes on top of that. So that's where we're at on this. Progress is slow. We're working on it. As you can see, I got it on my scissor lift, so taking up shop space. We need to get it done. We need to get it out of here so we can have some shop space going on. So we'll keep you updated on the progress, but that's all I got for now. Take care of your 12 valve.